Okay, welcome to the Sunday Shop Update. Today's video is going to be on social media. So don't switch off. I know you want to see tools, but it's a big part. We're obviously watching this on YouTube, which is part of social media. I've been really bad with social media in the past. I don't even have a Facebook page. I've just started Instagram this week, so I've got as many pictures up there as I can. I'm going to keep doing that, and I'm going to start using Instagram to take pictures of the builds while I'm doing it. So I can just do a snapshot of a joint and you'll get, or whatever it is I'm doing, and you get to see a little bit of the story going, and then finally the YouTube video of the full build. And this week I've been working on a website. So Manor does not have its own website. I've been using Etsy, and it is really good, Etsy. And I've found that, to be honest, I've used it more of a contact forum. People see stuff on there, contact me directly for me to make something, because there's no real website with an email address, and lots of people don't seem to like writing too many comments on YouTube. So I've found Etsy works really well, but it's definitely time for me to have a website. So it's not going to be a place where you can buy products. It's going to be more of a portfolio of work. And it's good, my community on YouTube will get to see some of the other stuff that I've built in the past, which I'll be uploading to the website under different categories. So one thing I've found with my YouTube channel is that I'm really enjoying making the videos, but I would really like to step it up and make a better job of it. And that means spending more time shooting the videos and making the videos. And I come across Patreon and see that some other woodworkers and some other YouTubers out there are using Patreon. Now, I didn't know much about it, but it seems that for Manor Wood, it could be a place to host the longer, more in-depth videos. I've found that some people want to see great detail in the video, and some people find the longer videos boring and want it all quicker and just kind of want to see the job done. So for me, Patreon is going to be a place to host the kind of full-length version of stuff, and also have an online community based around those full-length versions, which means we can discuss more intricate what's going on. And my YouTube videos I'm going to keep as they are, really. It's going to be kind of short and sweet, and just interesting to a broader section. So thanks so much to everybody who's been commenting and joining in on my YouTube. It's been really good fun. I'm really enjoying it, and the community spirit on YouTube and my channel. I've got so many ideas. I've got some cool marmoleum different colours. I'm going to be making some stuff, more fun, funky stuff for children, furniture, this coming up. And I've nearly finished the videos for the walk-in wardrobe. That's been quite a nightmare, to be honest, editing. It's quite boring watching people cut sheet goods, as I'm sure you all know. So, and this is made of sheet goods, so I'm trying to make it interesting. I'm trying to give you enough information if you want to go and make one of these things yourself. As far as I know, I'm the only person on YouTube showing you marmoleum and showing you ply. It's something that I've got a real passion for. It's the one product which isn't kind of a natural waney edge or walnut oak, exotic woods, which is my main passion. But it's the one product, when you mix marmoleum and ply, that I find just really tactile and just looks really crisp. So I've got lots of ideas coming up with that. Hopefully I've shown you all now how simple it is to laminate it, products to use. Okay, thanks again. Thanks so much for your support, and I'll see you on the next one.